Hello, good morning students. Now in my today's lecture, we will proceed the exercise 3.3. In the previous lecture, we started exercise 3.3 and I think 10 questions were solved. Questions are very simple. You have to go through it. Now, today we are going to start question number 11. Question number 11. And the question is, I am writing the question on the board. Prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus under root 2 sin x. Simple question and interesting question. See, in this question we are given cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to this much. This can be solved by different methods. Like we can break this in the formula cos a plus b, and this can be broken into cos a minus b, and then simplify, we can get the result. Another method, we can use cos a minus b formula, cos a minus cos b. So I am taking left hand side, using cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Yesterday I gave the idea of this formula. So using cos a minus cos b, this is cos a and minus cos b. So we are using cos a minus b minus 2 sin a plus b by 2. A is this, b is this. So we have 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x upon 2. Again sin 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. So due to this minus sign, this minus x will convert into plus upon 2. Got it? See here, minus x and plus x will go. This side minus 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4 will go. Add this 3 pi by 4 is 2 times. This is 6 pi by 4. See, minus 2 sin 6 pi by 4 into 2. 2 is already here, this one, and this is 6 pi by 4. Sin 2x upon 2, x plus x. This will go. See, 2 3s are 6. So what we have? Minus 2 sin, this is 3 pi by 4 into sin x. This 3 pi by 4, we have to find the value. 3 pi by 4, what is it? This can be broken as minus 2 sin pi minus pi by 4, pi minus pi by 4. pi minus pi by 4, it is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. And this is sine x. So minus 2 sine, what is this? Pi minus theta is sine theta. This is sine pi by 4 into sine x. Write the value of pi by 4. This is 1 by root 2 minus 2 sine 1 upon, sorry, it is minus 2 into 1 by root 2 sine x. If you divide this by root 2, it becomes minus root 2 sine x. This is right hand side. Got it? So very simple question these are. Just you have to follow the instruction and you have to follow the formula and you can get the result. Got it? Let's see, question number 12 is easy question. Again we have to prove something. See, question number 12 is given sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x sin 10x. Sin 2x sin 10x. Take left hand side. And I think you remember I gave the formula in my lecture using sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin a minus b into sin a plus b. This formula. This is of the form sin square a minus sin square b. Once we will add it and we will subtract once again. So we can write sin 6x minus 4x into sin 6x plus 4x. So what we have? This is sin 2x into sin 10x. This is right hand side. Got it? Very simple question. Now we are coming to start question number 13. 13 question is again very simple question. This time we are given cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to, we have sin 4x sin 8x. Sin 4x into sin 8x. So in the previous question we had the formula of sin square a minus sin square b. Here we have cos square a minus cos square b. We can use the direct formula, but better you can convert this into sine. Taking left hand side, see, this can be written as 1 minus sin square 2x minus 1 minus sin square 6x. Got it? Now open the bracket. What we have? 1 minus sin square 2x minus 1 plus sin square 6x. The minus 1 and plus 1 will go. What we have left? This is sin square 6x positive, sin square 2x negative. So we can write like this: sin square 6x minus sin square 2x. Now again this is the formula of sin square a minus sin square b. So we can use sin 6x minus 2x into sin 6x plus 2x. So we have sin 4x into sin 8x. This is given in right hand side. So this is your right hand side. Got it? Very simple question. Just you have to recall the formula and apply it. Now come to see the question number 14. Question number 14. In question number 14, we are given sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x, sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. 4 cos square x sin 4x. Left hand side. See, this can be again solved by different methods. The best method is you can split this 2 sin 4x. We have three terms: sin 2x, 2 sin 4x, sin 6x. So this middle term we can split like sin 4x plus sin 4x, and one sin 4x can be taken this side and one sin 4x this side, and we can apply the formula. Or take 2x plus 6x, means add two angles and make its half and see whether it is equal to this angle or not. Like 6x plus 2x, 8x and a half is 4x, means we are getting 4x. The best way, we can take sin 6x plus sin 2x together and leave this plus 2 sin 4x alone. Now apply the formula sin A plus sin B or sin x plus sin y here. So what is the formula? 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus cos A minus B by 2. So I am writing here, see, using sin A plus sin B is equal to 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2, this formula. So here we have, in place of A we have 6x, in place of B we have 2x. Apply the formula. So what we have, see, 2 sin 6x plus 2x by 2 cos 6x minus 2x by 2, this is in one bracket, and plus 2 sin 4x leaving alone. Here 6 plus 2 by 2 is 4x. Here 6 minus 2, 4 by 2 is 2x. So we can write 2 sin 4x cos 2x plus 2 sin 4x. See, 2 sin 4x is here and 2 sin 4x is here. We have common. So 2 sin 4x is common. What we have? Cos 2x plus 1, and we can change this cos 2x into the formula of cos. We have to bring cos square. So you know the formula of cos 2x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is 2 sin 4x, and this one 2 cos square x minus 1 and plus 1 will go. This plus minus 1 will go. So what we have? 2 2s are 4, and cos square x into sin 4x. So this was required in right hand side. See the solution, very simple, and you can go through it. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is interesting question. See, question number 15 I am writing. Question number 15 is cot 4x in bracket we have sin 5x plus sin 3x, sin 5x plus sin 3x is equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x, sin 5x minus sin 3x. So some questions can be solved directly. Taking left hand side, we can bring right hand side. But in some questions, we need to take the help of both sides. Means first take left hand side and solve up some extent, and take right hand side, bring that much from right side, and left hand side equal to right hand side. See, I am solving. Taking left hand side. Change this cot into sin upon cos. So we can write cos 4x upon sin 4x. Here we can use sin A plus sin B formula. So we can write 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2. See, we have cos 4x upon sin 4x in bracket. What we have? 2 sin 5 plus 3 by 2 means 8 by 2 means 4x. So 2 sin 4x into, this is 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2 is 1. This is cos x. See, by LCM sin 4x this is cancelled. What we have? 2 here, cos 4x cos x. We have 2 cos 4x cos x. So we have 2 cos 4x cos x. After this, we can apply the formula, but best way, if we don't have any idea, leave this much and come to right hand side. See, take right hand side. See, I am taking cot x, this is sin 5x minus sin 3x. So cot can be broken into cos upon sin. So this is cos x upon sin x, and here we can apply the formula sin A minus sin B, and you know the formula, 2 cos 5x plus 3x by 2 sin 5x minus 3x by 2. See, here we have cos x upon sin x. See, 5 plus 3 by 2 is 4x. So we have 2 cos 4x, and 5 minus 3 by 2 is cos x, sin x. By LCM this sin x will go. What we have? 2 ones are 2 and cos 4x cos x. So we have 2 cos 4x into cos x. This was required into this much. So what can we write? We can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is how we can verify both sides. If the question is somewhat difficult, so you can use this method also. Now see question number 16. Very simple question now. We have question number 16, given that cos 9x minus cos 5x. See, cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x. Sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to sin 2x upon cos 10x minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. तो in left hand side in numerator we have cos a minus cos b formula, in denominator we have sin a minus sin b formula, and we can apply both the formula. Let's see what happened. तो cos c minus cos d or cos a minus cos b, you know, minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x by 2 sin 9x minus 5x by 2. The formula is minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2 in numerator, upon this is sin a minus sin b, this is 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2 sin 17x minus 3x by 2. Got it? See, here we have minus sign. 9 plus 5 is 14 by 2, that is 7x. So we have 2 sin 7x. Here we have sin 9 minus 5 is 4 upon 2 is 2. So we have sin 2x upon, see here we have 17 plus 3 20 by 2 is 10. So we have 2 cos 10x into 17 minus 3 is 14 by 2 is 7. So we have sin 7x. See, first 2 and 2 will go, and sin 7x will go. What is left? We have minus sin 2x upon cos 10x minus sin 2x upon cos 10x. This is right hand side. Got it? So very simple question. In question number 17, I am leaving for you. Simply you have to use the formula of sin a plus b in numerator, cos a plus b in denominator. You can get the result. So you have to do this question number 17 yourself. Question number 18 is also for you. See, you can see this. In question number 18, sin x minus y upon cos x plus y. So you can apply the formula of sin x minus y in numerator and cos x plus y in denominator, and some portion will be cancelled, and whatever is left, that will be your result. Question number 19. 19th question I am solving, but it is again simple, but let me solve. Question number 19, and question is sin x plus sin 3x. Sin x plus sin 3x upon cos x plus cos 3x. Cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. So this will be done by you, cos tan 2x. So one thing you can do, larger angle can be kept first. So you can write sin 3x plus sin x upon cos 3x plus cos x, and apply the formula of sin a plus b in numerator, cos a plus b is in denominator, and one portion will be cancelled. Whatever is left, sin upon cos, sin 2x upon cos 2x will be left, and that is equal to tan x. So this can be done by you. Very simple question. So you will solve this question number 19 also. Question number 20, the same as the previous question, but I am trying to tell you sin x minus sin 3x. This is question number 20. Sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. We have equal to 2 sin x. Got it? So left hand side, best way, see larger angle is negative here, so take minus sign common from numerator and minus sign common from denominator. So if we take minus sign common, what we have, sin 3x minus sin x. Here take minus sign common from denominator, so what we have cos square x minus sin square x. And you know this formula, cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. So minus and minus will be cancelled. In numerator apply the formula sin a minus sin b. So what the formula, 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 sin 3x minus x by 2 upon, this is cos 2x. See, this is 2 cos, what we have, 3x plus x, 4x by 2, the 2x. So we have 2 cos 2x, here we have sin x upon cos 2x, and cos 2x will cancel. What we have, 2 sin x. This is required in right hand side. Got it? So very simple questions are. Now question number 21. Question number 21 is, you have to solve this question, but I am going to tell you how to solve. Let's see question number 21. Now in question number 21, very simple question, I am giving the clue, you will solve this question yourself. See, we are given cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x. Here we have sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. Cot 3x means we have to bring cos 3x upon sin 3x. Very simple. See, we have cos 3x in denominator, we have sin 3x in denominator and numerator. So this will make the cot 3x. So what to do? Leaving these two separate, take sin 4x as cos 4x and cos 2x together, sin 4x and sin 2x together in one bracket, and apply the formula of cos a plus b and sin a plus b, and you will see that sin 3x and cos 3x common from denominator and numerator, and the other portion will be cancelled. So finally you will get cos 3x upon sin 3x, that is equal to cot 3x. So very simple question, you will try this question yourself. Got it? So I am solving question number 22. See, question number 22 is important question. We have cot x, cot 2x, cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x minus cot 3x, cot x is equal to 1. It is important question. This can be solved by several methods. Means we have to bring one, we have three parts, taking two parts together. If you take cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x together, so we have cot 2x common, cot x minus cot 3x left, and this will be left. What is the result coming? You will treat with third one, and finally you will get the answer. This is very lengthy process for you. I am giving the idea. It can be broken into cot or sine. The best method of this question, the shortest method I am giving you, take tan 3x. Taking like this, see, I am writing. Taking tan 3x is equal to tan 2x plus x. I am taking tan because it is easy to convert tan into cot. Tan into cot. Finally, we will solve this question in tan and we will convert into cot. So tan 3x can be taken as tan 2x plus tan x. Here we have x, 2x and 3x, all three terms are found. Now this is tan 3x is equal to, break this into tan a plus tan b. So we have tan 2x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan x. Now cross multiply this side. See, multiplying tan 3x, ones are tan 3x minus, here we have tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. See, tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x is equal to, this side we have tan 2x plus tan x. Bring this term this side and send this negative term into right side. So what we have, see, we have tan 3x, this comes this side, minus tan x minus tan 2x is equal to, this will go in right side. We have tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. See, in right side we have to bring 1. In right side we have to bring 1. So in right side we have to make 1. So what to do? Divide the whole equation by tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x. Let's see, I am writing. Dividing both sides by tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x, we get, let's see what we get. See, tan 3x upon tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x, I am writing. See, tan 3x upon tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x minus tan x upon tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x minus tan 2x upon tan 2x upon tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x is equal to 1. Why 1? This tan 3x, tan 2x, tan x upon tan 3x, tan 2x, tan. Now here tan 3x and tan 3x cancelled. Here we have tan x and tan x cancelled. Here we have tan 2x, tan 2x cancelled. Now convert its reciprocal. What we have? 1 upon tan 2x, tan x. So tan will go in numerator, becomes cot x. So we have cot x, cot 2x. See, tan x come into numerator, becomes cot x. Tan 2x come in numerator, becomes cot 2x. Here tan 2x come in numerator, tan cot 2x, and tan 3x comes into the cot 3x. So we have minus cot 2x, cot 3x, and finally this will go tan 3x and tan x left. So minus tan 3x, sorry, cot 3x, cot x is equal to 1 is left. So this is right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is simplest method to solve this question. Otherwise, another method, taking 2 at a time we can solve, or this can be taken as cot also. Formula of cot 3x is equal to cot 2x cot x minus 1. You know the formula of cot 3x, and then cross multiply and get the result. So we better learn the formula of tan 3x and apply this. Got it? Now let's see. Question number 23 is important question. Let's see what is the question. We have to prove tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x in bracket we have 1 minus tan square x, 1 minus tan square x upon we have 1 minus tan square 2x, 1 minus tan square 2x. Very simple question, but we have to change this left hand side. See, taking left hand side, this tan 2x can be broken into tan 2 into 2x or tan 2x plus tan 2x 2 times, tan 2 times tan 2x plus tan 2x, or we can write this as tan 2 times of 2x and use the formula I am writing here, using tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula. So in place of x we will write what? 2x. So see, I am writing 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. Got it? Now again write the value of tan 2x. So we have is equal to 2 times of tan 2x, 2 tan x upon 1 minus, this is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square, because it is tan square 2x. Got it? Now separate this. See, I am writing 2 to the 4 here, 4 tan x in numerator, in denominator see 1 minus this square 2 to the 4 tan square x, we have 4 tan square x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square, 1 minus tan square x whole square. Got it? 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now take LCM. I am writing here, see, this 4 tan x is already here upon, see, this LCM will be multiplied with this one. So we have 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x upon we have 1 minus tan square x whole square. Got it? So this will come in numerator. This will come in numerator. This is question number 23. Now let's see. We have 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole square upon, simplify this, break this into whole square. So what we have? 1 plus tan to the power 4x minus, we have to bring 1 minus tan square 2x. We have to bring 1 minus tan square 2x. So simply we have got the result. Simply we have got the result. Nothing to do. no need to break. See, we have got this tan 2x. Using this formula we have 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus this. We have broken this 4 tan x upon this will come here. We have to bring 4 tan x. We are getting 1 minus tan square x. 1 minus tan square x. So what we have, see, I am getting the result 1 plus minus 2 tan square x, and we have minus 4 tan square x. tan square x. Something went wrong. Let me check once again. Here tan 2x. So we have the formula 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. Alright. Here we have again tan 2x, 2 into 2 tan x upon one term is left here. One term is left of this one. This is what? This was mistake. Let's see. See this one. We have 2 times of 2 tan. Using formula, in place of this we have 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. For this we are going to put the value. We have 2 times of 2 tan x. See, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x was left, whole upon. For this one, 1 minus tan square 2x. So we can write 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This was whole square. Now this one we have 4 tan x. 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole upon. Here the LCM 1 minus tan square x whole square minus it is 4 tan square x. 4 tan square x upon this will 1 minus tan square x whole square. So one of the whole square will be cancelled with this, and this will come in numerator. So what we have left? This much. And here break this 1 plus tan to the power 4. Here it was whole square. So 1 plus tan to the power 4. Finally break this. We have the formula 1 minus tan 2x. So we have minus 2 tan square x. This much. So one minus tan is 2 square. Here it is. So what we have? See, this is 4 tan x. 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x upon what we have 1. We have to bring 1 minus tan square 2x. So formula is tan square 2x. You can change this as, you can leave this as tan square 2x. 1 minus tan square 2x. This is right hand side. Or in other way another formula. If you think this is difficult, so you can do one thing. See, I am telling you, you can try this by your own, like this. See, this can be broken tan 2x plus 2x, and apply the formula of tan a plus tan b. So what can we write? Tan 2x plus tan 2x upon 1 minus tan 2x tan 2x. The same thing we have got. See, tan 2x plus tan 2x, 2 tan 2x. So we have 2 tan 2x upon, we have 1 minus tan 2x into tan 2x, we have tan square 2x, and again you can change the formula. So you can go through it, you can practice this question yourself. Now question number 24 is, I think the previous question it was given something wrong. In my book it is given wrong. Actually I think I remember this question is like in denominator 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. We have to bring this. Actually question is this, tan 4x is equal to, tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan to the power 4x. This is the result in right side. In my book it is printed wrong. So this is the actual question. So I think you can see the last solution, you can get the result. Got it? Now let's see question number 24 and 25. You will try yourself. If any doubt, you may contact me on my WhatsApp. Got it? Because two questions are simple questions. Cos 4x, you can break that cos 4x 2 into 2. Cos 6x, you can break this into 3 into 2 or 2 into 3. Got it? So this you can solve this.